Meteorology is a science with direct influence on the safety and development of a country. Based on the forecast of major meteorological events, it is possible to outline a situational awareness to support decision-making and strategic actions for civil defense, aviation, agribusiness, power generation, and many other economic activities. IACIT is among the world's leading companies that dominate cutting-edge technology in meteorology. With a vast portfolio in this segment, IACIT has established nowcasting systems in the market. With its own investments and dedication to studies, design, and production, IACIT delivers RMT 0200, an S-brand dual polarization solid-state weather radar, applied to the detection of meteorological phenomena over long distances. Being the only one in Brazil and one of the few to operate 100% in solid-state worldwide, this equipment uses power amplifiers instead of tubes, resulting in lower energy consumption, greater durability, and above all, less electromagnetic pollution. Produced with state-of-the-art technology, RMT 0200 is formed by several subsystems which perform specific functions, such as transmission, reception, processing, monitoring, operation, and control.
RMT 0200 has a smart intelligence system, and telemetry allows remote operation. So its subsystems can be set up and monitored remotely.
Due to its radiant system with beam opening of 1 degree in horizontal and vertical polarization simultaneously, the RMT 0200 allows the classification of meteorological events according to the type and behavior of hydrometers.
Therefore, among its functions, some of them are classifying, for instance, if the level of a rain is low, medium, moderate, or intense, or defining if a hydrometeor is ice, snow, or water.
With the RMT 0200 radar, it's possible to detect meteorological phenomena within a radius of up to 400 kilometers, contributing with assertive information and decision-making in areas like air traffic control, agribusiness, water resources management, and civil defense. The RMT 0200 is a modular, robust, and easy-to-install equipment focused high availability and reduced operating costs.
Among other factors and benefits of solid state are being a very compact radar, having easy maintenance and low power consumption.
IACIT produced the RMT 0200 by listening to leading experts in meteorology in order to deliver a product which adds the most value to the client. The RMT 200 radar delivered by IACIT is in operation in São José dos Campos City, Brazil, and will supply real-time weather data to CEMADEM, National Center for Monitoring and Alerting of Natural Disasters.
Therefore, for us from IACIT, it is very gratifying to develop a product which will be used by CEMADEM in the prevention of natural disasters to protect human lives.
IACIT, people and technology, building the future.